Hello everyone, this video is intended for week 6, topic 2, part 1. And our topic is exponential functions, equations, and inequalities. And this topic is found on your module on pages 93 to 94. So let us start with the definition of exponential expression. An exponential expression is an expression of the form a times b raised to x minus c plus d, where your b is greater than 0 but b is not equal to 1. So some of the examples of exponential expression, we have 4 raised to x, 2/3 raised to x plus 1 plus 5, 0.5 raised to x minus 3, 3 raised to x minus 1. Now let us discuss the exponential equation, exponential inequality, and exponential function. So we will be defining each one of them and we'll be giving an example. So we have exponential equation is an equation involving exponential expression. So an example of this is 7 raised to 2x minus x squared is equal to 1 over 343. So this part of your equation is an exponential expression. So we have exponential inequality. An exponential inequality is an inequality involving exponential expression. So we have an example, 5 raised to 2x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 is equal or less than 0. So again, this part of the inequality is an exponential expression. So what's the difference between the exponential equation and exponential inequality? Of course, for equation, we are using equal sign, and for exponential inequality, we can use greater than, less than, at least, and at most. So now let us proceed to exponential function. So an exponential function is a function of the form f of x is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 but b is not equal to 1. So we have an example, f of x is equal to 0.8 raised to x, or y is equal to 0.8 raised to x. So remember, f of x is also y. So f of x is just a function notation. So now what's the difference between the exponential equation and exponential function? Okay, so if you can observe, both of them are using equal sign. But what's the difference between the two? So for exponential equation, we have only one variable, which is x, based on our example, while the exponential function, we have the relation between the variable y and x. Okay, so remember, a function is a special type of relation. Okay, so that's the difference between exponential equation and exponential function. Now let us see if we can identify the given, if it is an exponential function, exponential equation, exponential inequality, or none of these. Let us start from number 1. So we have 64 is equal to 4 raised to x. So we have an equal sign. This part is an exponential expression. Your variable x is found at the exponent. So therefore, this is an exponential equation. Number 2, we are using inequality sign. And this is an exponential expression. So therefore, this is an exponential inequality. Number 3, we have an equal sign. We have an exponential expression, but we have a relation between variables y and x. So it involves two variables. So therefore, this is an exponential function. Number 4, f of x is equal to 5x squared. So we have an equal sign. We have a function notation. But this part, we have 5x squared. This is not an exponential expression. This is a polynomial. Okay? Particularly a quadratic. Okay? So it is a polynomial of second degree. Okay? So therefore, none of this. So it couldn't be exponential function, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. Number 5, 7 is less than 21 raised to x minus 3. So we have an inequality sign. This part is an exponential expression. So number 5, we have exponential inequality. Number 6, 56 raised to x is equal to 7. So we have an equal sign, we have an exponential expression, and we have a relation between x and y. So therefore, this is an exponential function. Number 7, we have an equal sign, and this part is an exponential expression. So this is an exponential equation. Number 8, an equal sign. We have an exponential expression and we have two variables x and y. So therefore, this is an exponential function. Number 9, we have an inequality sign. We have an exponential expression, but this one is a polynomial. Okay? So therefore, we have none of this. And number 10, 4 raised to x plus 3 equals 32. Okay, so we have an equal sign. We have an exponential expression. Okay, so this one is an exponential equation. Okay, so for this video, we have discussed the definition of exponential expression. We have also discussed the definition of exponential equation, inequality, and functions. And we have differentiated the three. So I hope you have learned from this video. Thank you very much and see you for the next topic.